Go ahead and find your breath. Find the deep breath in the belly. Allow the breath to expand outward. And as you exhale, settle. Let a sense of heaviness come about the body and sink into whatever vessel is holding you right now. The floor, the sofa, the bed, the chair, the sky. Perhaps the delights of your imagination already inviting you into a fluffy white cloud, a beautiful bed of moss, a soft, moist osmanthus flower. Let your imagination run wild. Is it a volcanic mud bath? Are you melting into the bubbly waters of a hot spring? Let your imagination be at play as you invite yourself into the most delicious relaxation experience. The experience of coming home to yourself, of meeting yourself exactly where you are in this moment in time. Exactly where you are. This body relaxed. Allow the breath to expand, belly expanding. And as you exhale, sometimes sound naturally comes out of the mouth. Breathing in. The breath arising, a brief space in between. A natural space between. Just a pause. The exhale. And another little space between the breaths. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in the new moon energy. Fresh, light energy. Breathing out the full moon. Release, relax. Breathing in the first quarter moon, a pause towards the full moon. Exhale the full moon, a pause before we cycle again. Breathing in the new moon, a pause at the quarter. Breathing out the full moon, a pause to regenerate. Breathing in the new moon, a pause at the quarter. Breathing out full moon, a pause to regenerate. Taking yourself through the cycles of the breath, the cycles of the moon. This breath, this breath, this breath, always breathing in the present moment. The present moment. The smell, Notice as you breathe in the sounds that surround you, the touch of the body making contact, being held, the taste inside the mouth, the space holding this whole experience. And as we draw ourselves inwards, the space we create in the physical body. Let's make a little game of this as we invite different parts of the body into the experience of spaciousness, bringing your mind to the tip of the right hand thumb, feeling the tip of the thumb, the index finger, the ring finger, the middle finger, the pinky finger. So using your mind and bringing yourself right to the tip of these fingers of the right hand. Feel the right palm, the right back of the hand. Feel the spaciousness in the wrist, the forearm, the right elbow, the right upper arm. And just take yourself into the heart space. And now taking your mind, using your mind and going down to the tip of the left hand thumb and index, middle finger, ring finger, pinky finger. The left palm and back of the hand, the left wrist, the left forearm, the left elbow, the left upper arm. Arriving back to the heart space. Now take yourself down the right side of the body. Feel the ribs and the space between the ribs. Feel the right hip and the space between the bottom rib and the top of the hip. Feel the left thigh and the left knee, the space in the left knee joint, the left. I think we flew over to the left. And over to the left, all the way down the left ankle to the left big toe and second toe and third toe and fourth toe and fifth toes. And then just take yourself back up to the heart center, and now invite that left shoulder and the left ribs and the space between the left ribs and the space between the bottom left rib and the top of the left hip, and come into the spaciousness of the left hip, and then fly over to the right leg and feel the spaciousness in the right hip and the right thigh and the right knee and the right inside the knee socket, and then go down the right calf to the right foot and all the way to the tip of the right. Big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toes. Feel all the spaciousness back to the heart center. And now take your mind, the space-making mind, upwards. The right side of the neck, the left side of the neck, the front of the neck, and now back to the delights of the face, the sweetest smelling of faces. The right cheek, the left cheek, the left ear, the right jaw, the left jaw, the left temple, the right eye and left eye, the left nostril, the right nostril, the right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, this magical space between the eyebrows. Take yourself to the left forehead, the right lobe, the left lobe, and over to the crown of the head. The crown of the head. Take yourself down the backside of the head. Oh, pause and make space where the head meets the neck. Make space down the back of the neck. Make extra super space in the shoulder. Trapezius muscle. Make space in the upper back and shoulders. And go down the spine. Go down the spine, make space in each of the vertebrae, spread that relaxation throughout your entire back, all the way to the base of the spine, the bottom of the pelvic bowl, and then make your space up the body, up the front part of the body, at the belly button, and return to the heart center. Returning to the heart center. Returning to the heart center. This body grounded on the floor, this body relaxed in this experience of Yoga Nidra. Welcoming space. In that magical heart space, feel the inside of that space. Go as deep as you can into the inner caverns of this heart space. And then feel that space in an expanded form. I don't know how big it gets. The size of your chest, the size of your body, the size of the room. Feel this inner heart space and this outer heart space at the same time. This inner heart space, this outer heart space, at the same time. And now, visualize a tiny little flame in the heart space. And as that little tiny flame, as you inhale, that little tiny flame is going to expand outwards. How big it gets is up to you. Is it the size of your body? Is it the size of the room? Is it the size of the whole planet? The whole solar system? The size of the expanse of the universe? That's your inhale. With each exhale, come back to the little flame in the heart. And just to give your mind a little something to focus on, you could count yourself down from 9 to 1. Little seed flame in the heart. Expanding with the inhale. And as you exhale, back to the spark. If you lose your count, no problem. Go back to 9. If you don't feel like counting, no problem. You don't have to. If you finish really quickly, go back to 9 and start over. The goal isn't to really finish anything. It's just to be in the spacious expanse of the breath. Grounded, relaxed, rejuvenated. Hearing these sounds falling upon your ears, the sound of the bells, these sounds calling you back into your body, this body relaxed on the floor. Perhaps you enjoyed a nice little nap. That sounds delightful. Take a deep breath and see what smells meet you in this moment. As we draw this meditative experience towards a close, move the tongue around inside the mouth. Start to wiggle the fingers and the toes. And when it delights you, and only when it delights you, gently open your eyes and find yourself here. Perhaps inviting in additional movement, stretching, the making of a few sounds as you arrive to a more awakened state. Our practice of this Yoga Nidra is officially complete, and what begins now is an in-between space. A liminal space between the dreamlike state of rest, repair, meditation, and the awakened space of our day, our night, our evening.